Meet Michael, our supplier for Ipsen's festive events. In this video, we will explore how SAP Business Network will help us organize our upcoming events more effectively and enhance our transactions. Before we dive into navigating the solution, let's see how SAP Business Network will connect companies like Ipsen with their suppliers. Buyer participants and supplier participants are interconnected within an open, smart, and simple ecosystem through SAP Business Network. Michael realizes that there are two types of accounts, the standard account and the enterprise account, and they are very different. Now, let's take a look at what it looks like.
Here, you are inside your newly created standard account as visible at the top. You can now review any open registrations in the tab Ariba Proposals and Questionnaires, or review any POs in the tab SAP Business Network by clicking on the drop-down here. The SAP Business Network is a B2B platform which brings together buyers and suppliers. Suppliers can receive sourcing projects, maintain the Ipsen SLP registration questionnaire, receive POs, and upload catalogs, for example. Here you can see a supplier account. You can use the SAP Business Network by having either a standard account or an enterprise account. A standard account is free of charge to use and allows you to receive sourcing projects, the SLP registration, and receive POs in a simple way by accessing those POs always starting from a received email. In case you want to be able to see POs directly in your account, you can upgrade to a paid account, a so-called enterprise account. There are two types of fees that apply in this case, which primarily depend on the number of transactions you have on the SAP Business Network, as well as the country you're located in. These fees are a transaction fee, which is a percentage of each transaction via the network, and a subscription fee. Here is a short overview of the two types of accounts. More on that is explained online when searching for SAP Business Network Enterprise Account Fee Model or SAP Business Network Supplier Fee Calculator. In the top left corner, you can see a drop-down, the SAP Business Network, Ariba Proposals and Questionnaires, and Ariba Contract Management. When clicking on Ariba Proposals and Questionnaires, you will see any questionnaires such as a risk assessment, SLP registration, or sourcing event. With regards to the registration questionnaire, you are the owner of your data, which means that if you change addresses, for example, you can update the registration questionnaire with the new address by clicking on Revise Response. This would trigger a relevant approval flow on the Ipsen side. When clicking on the SAP Business Network, you can see the POs received from various customers, including Ipsen. In this example, we can see an enterprise account. Here you can process an order, see their total amounts, see orders across various customers, and load catalogs. Each account also has access to the Ariba Help page. All accounts have access to knowledge articles, training sessions, and can also submit a request to Ariba directly by clicking on Contact Us. When submitting a request here, enterprise accounts usually receive a faster response.
Michael is considering why joining the network is a good idea. First, improve ordering process efficiency with automatic match and increased transparency, leading to automated business transactions. Second, benefit from a best-in-class platform for document exchange. Finally, strategic prioritization of supplier enablement targeting high volume and key suppliers, fostering stronger partnerships and driving growth. Overall, it's a win-win situation for both the supplier and Ipsen. These benefits illustrate the mutual advantages of engaging with SAP Business Network. Michael has understood the objectives and benefits of joining SAP Business Network as a supplier, but now he wonders what will be expected of him by Ipsen in this role. Before thinking about the upcoming Ipsen Festive event, Michael wants to take actions. He wants to learn more about the onboarding process before he can create his account.
The following video explains the supplier how to register on the SAP Business Network and find the help page, as well as other documents on the account, such as a registration or a PO. Once you receive an invitation email, you can either log on to an existing account or start to create an account on the SAP Business Network as a first step before even filling out the Ipsen SLP registration questionnaire. This screen shows 3 options you have: reviewing an existing account, using an existing account, or creating a new account. Here you can review any existing accounts that have similar details, such as the name or address. In this scenario, it is advisable you contact the administrator of an existing account to avoid the creation of a duplicate account. In this example, we'll assume you do not have an account on the SAP Business Network and therefore create a new account. Just to reiterate, the SAP Business Network account creation and the Ipsen SLP registration are 2 different things and get easily confused. So please be aware that here we are seeing the SAP Business Network account creation. Here you need to set up your username and password. Then please state what product or services you offer. This does not impact your relationship with any of your existing customers. For your information, as a supplier, you can insert further details such as the VAT ID and DUNS number on your Ariba account under the company profile, but this will not be shown in this video. Please also state the location you provide services in. Again, this does not impact your relationship with your customers, but are settings you make on your account.
If Michael wants to practice more on SAP Business Network, various supplementary resources are available online, such as training on SAP Business Network Supplier Learning Site or on SAP Network Help Learning Center. Thank you for watching.